I think being a volunteer, you expect that you're doing it to help. And that's the truth. You do. The things we do help the people, but we get so much from it being a volunteer. People tell me thank you, and I thank them for letting me do for them. It's just really gratifying to be able to do something that helps other people and yet fulfills me.
The volunteers at Riverview Health are absolutely amazing. We are so blessed to have volunteers in so many different parts of the organization. You know, I think last year it was 43,000 hours of volunteers. I think we have over 150, 160 volunteers giving their time every day. You can't value what the volunteers do, but if you had to replace the volunteers at Riverview, it'd be over $1.5 million a year, but it's so much more than the dollar amount. They are a part of our community that is coming in to make the community better.
I worked with Jill for many years, and Jill was just always engaged with her volunteers. I thought just Jill did a wonderful job in that role.
She was an amazing woman, and, you know, to have a strong, successful volunteer program, you have to have a strong leader behind it, and that's what Jill was. There wasn't a day that went by that she didn't talk about her family. I mean, her own personal family. She was so proud of her family. And she viewed the volunteers as her family, and they did her as well.
Jill was a sweetheart. She was as kind and as good as you can imagine a director of volunteers would have to be. She just made you feel like you were going to be doing a wonderful job when you weren't sure of what you were doing, and it was still going to be okay.
She continued to come here despite some of the health issues, just because of that purpose and that meaning. And I think that's what kind of holds a lot in my heart of she felt that strongly, but it also provided some purpose.
It's a family of employees, of patients, families, volunteers, donors. That's what Riverview has always stood for.
I found this to be a home. We have a lot of our volunteers that come here that actually meet other friends. They meet people from all different walks of life. I just enjoy coming here and working here. It's a good place to work.
Our value of belonging is not just our team members belonging to be a part of Riverview, but our community. We want to make sure that people feel like they're not just a number here. And when our volunteers interact with patients, it's like it's our community taking care of our patients. And I think they just take our value of belonging and they supercharge it. And they're a critical part of our organization.
The best part is being able to help them, because we have people coming in the hospital, and we're able to at least greet them at the door when they come in the ER entrance. It's kind of brightens up their day when they come in, they see the volunteers, and we all greet them with a smile and a good morning or good afternoon.
When you see volunteers off the campus of Riverview, we're still friends and family, and it's just a good, happy, healthy place to be, even if you're unhealthy.